Welcome to this introductory video for the structural analysis software RFEM by Dlubal. RFEM is a 3D finite element program in which the calculation of constructions made of steel, reinforced concrete, timber, glass, or constructions using multiple materials is possible. Use RFEM to determine internal forces, deformations, and support reactions in planar and spatial systems using members, plates or walls, shells, or a combination in one model. With a CAD-like graphical user interface, RFEM is easy to handle. It doesn't take much time to get familiar with the program. RFEM has a modular structure. Create the model, define loads, and determine the internal forces in RFEM, and then carry out the design in the add-on modules. There is a large selection of add-on modules available, which can be combined into a custom-tailored program package. In addition to structural analysis, you can perform dynamic analysis with the add-on module RFDynam, which handles vibration and seismic analysis. RFEM offers a great selection of integrated interfaces with other programs for a seamless project workflow. Exchange data using direct interfaces with Tekla Structures, AutoCAD, and Autodesk Rivet Structure. Other Exchange file formats such as DXF, IFC, STP, and many more are available for BIM-oriented planning. New in RFEM 5 is the option to create load or result combinations automatically. When creating a model, select the corresponding standard and decide if load or result combinations should be created. After entering load cases, actions are available from which, according to the selected combination expressions, RFEM automatically creates the action and load combinations. Under the calculation parameters, define if the model should be calculated according to first order, second order, or large deformation analysis. Within the graphical user interface work in several project navigators. The Data Navigator contains the model and load data. Use the Display Navigator to adjust how the model is displayed in the main window. A new feature of RFEM 5 is the Views Project Navigator, which can be used to easily create and save views so that they can be used at a later time with just a click. For example, save standard views, such as the isometric view of this office building. And then change the view to the top view and save that also under a name. Or create a specialized view, such as a portion of the complete structure. Create a display of only the roof level by selecting only the roof slabs. Then use the tool Visibility by selected objects from the toolbar. Adjust the view as needed, and then save the view with a name. Now you can easily switch between the three saved views. With RFEM, it is possible to easily generate structures and loads. Automatic load generators are available for snow and wind loads according to Eurocode, as well as generators for surface structures and member structures, such as a 3D hull. To generate a 3D hull, first define the geometric parameters. Specify the bracing throughout the structure or at particular bays. Define the cross-sections of the members using the expansive cross-section library. Set the loading, including self-weight, snow, and wind. Define the snow load settings in the dialog box. Select the appropriate snow load zone, altitude, and other parameters. Similarly, for the wind loads, set the wind zones according to the standard in order to determine the wind loading on the structure. Once all parameters have been defined, the hull can be easily and quickly generated. Load cases for self-weight, snow, wind, and imperfections are automatically generated. In RFEM 5, the Special Selection tool enables quick selection of particular objects in a model. With one selection, display for example only the horizontal beams. This can be useful to show a clear representation of internal forces or stress ratios, easily make changes to the properties of those members, or to quickly define a new visibility to be saved. Another useful feature, which is ideal for frequently reoccurring systems, is the option for parameterization. In this simple example, the dimensions and loading have been parameterized. The definition of the load depends on the variable named width. Therefore, the loading automatically changes if the width is changed. The model is adjusted in parallel. then it is possible to save the complete structure, including parameters, as a block to import and use later. This user-friendly program offers many more useful features. It is equipped with photorealistic rendering and is compatible with 64-bit operating systems so that you can perform comprehensive calculations. The program can be operated in 9 different languages, including German, French, and Spanish, and the printout report is available in 12 languages. Further information about the structural analysis software by Dlubal and trial versions available for download can be found on our homepage at www.dlubal.com.